Rota, and today I'm gonna introduce Sock Puppet. Here we go. This sock puppet, I made this in school, and this I sewed, and I used old t-shirt and cut it to small pieces and sewed here. And you see this is a little curly, a button. I also sewed this, and this is a tongue. And also I used red t-shirt and sewed this part too. And you can say hello like this, because you see there's a hole in it. I say hello, hello. And this song is supposed to be like this. And this is my brother's socks. Now I'm gonna introduce my sock puppet friends. Come on, one by one. Hello, I'm Arif. What are you made of? I'm made of googly eyes, and these are yarns, and this is also yarns for my mouth, and this is buttons, and I'm also using socks. Do you want to play with me? Yay! The next friend is Gia. This socks is long socks, and this is also a socks, and it's colored here, and it's stretchy. And this is an eyebrow, and then is sewed, and this is a button. And he said, "Why are you so tall?" "'Cause I'm a long sock, okay?" "Oh, okay." Boom, 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 boom. The final friend is Alicia. And this is a ribbon, and this is a navy socks. This button is a heart, and this is also a button, and that is a nose. And the heart is kind of cute, right? Yes, thank you very much. And these are all the 4 friends of Sock Puppet. These are all made with old socks, but they're all different. This eye is big, this eye is small, this eye is much smaller, and this eye is a heart. They're all different. Hair, no hair, but the hair is a ribbon. This isn't hair, and a long hair. And they're all different, and I like it because they are creative. If you find any old socks, use it to make Sock Puppet. And if you like this video, click the good button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. I'm out of here. Thank you.